Well, as you can see, it's another rainy day, and I don't particularly like riding in the rain, so I'm going to head off in a direction that hopefully there isn't any rain. So if it's raining on this side of the country, hopefully the other side of the country is dry, so I'll head in that direction. Not only is it raining quite heavily still, it is freezing cold. Combination of those things makes me hope that find some sunshine soon. It does look slightly more clear right in the distance over there. I think I'm heading in the right direction. Well, very cloudy in Taupo, so let's head round to Taranaki and see what it's like in that direction. Taranaki. It's still windy, it's still cold, it's not raining, and then amongst the clouds there's a few little patches of blue. Oh well, the rain situation is definitely much better, so I might as well push on to what's the next town? Taranaki. The weather's like there. With any luck, there'll even be some blue sky. I can start drying out of this. Taranaki. So still cloudy, but there are little bits of blue. Well, it seems there are bits of blue sky. I might as well get a little bit further in this direction and see whether we actually get some proper good weather, or whether the cloud covers the entire country. Of course, wouldn't you know it? Exploring usually ends up on a gravel road. Looks quite nice around here. Quite spectacular clay cliffs. Stratford, eh? Why not? The sun's come out now, so feeling quite good. Always like this gorge. It's more than your average mower. Look, the sky is definitely clearing quite a lot. There is some cloud, but it's much higher cloud. Wind has died down. Finally getting towards part of the country that's got some good weather. Oh, if it's a stockbroker. Oh, Strathmore, and it seems a little bit silly to have come all the way up here and not go to New Plymouth, especially seeing as there's no chance I can get home while there's still daylight, because there's not much left of it now. I'm on the wrong side of the country. Quite get my neck round far enough and look at the road. Hopefully you can see some of the mountain. There we go, New Plymouth. And the weather feels very mild here compared to what I've had today. Yeah, so much for just a very quick ride to get out of the rain. Really wasn't intending to have to spend the night somewhere.